All you have to do is bring that up. People versus DeMarco. Where's your judicial warrant to be able to detain me? You better talk to the prosecutor before you go any further. They can't do what they've been doing. It's under legalese. Legalese is a presumption, is where they presume to assume that they have authority over us and can do whatever they want to us. That's all legality is, legalese.
Welcome to Facts or Frauds.
Your Honor, I'm here for, I'm innocent upon loitering, waiting on a flight. This is my fourth court appearance, and I went to jail twice.
Mr. Fabian, we thought
once
you were
at the airport when I got off a flight.
Mr. Fabian, we thought you were in a breakout room with Mr. Ainati already.
I'm waiting to be heard, Your Honor. This is I flew out here just for this Zoom hearing.
Are you in the courthouse?
I flew out here. Your numbers don't work. I came to the courthouse yesterday and today. Yesterday it snowed and no one was here.
You also didn't have court yesterday.
They pushed the court date back for today at 1:15.
No, it was always today.
Great. I'm just here to be heard. I'm innocent of loitering at an airport waiting on a flight. I'm innocent of loitering.
Mr. Fabian, nothing you're saying right now is helping you at all.
Your entrapment ploys have been in an illegal fashion. Everything from slander, everything to harassment.
Mr. Fabian, we're trying to get you in a breakout room to talk to an attorney. Are you not in a breakout room talking to an attorney right now?
Your Honor, I'm innocent. And I'm pretty sure you have my flight information, which was stolen in my luggage, which was stolen from the airport.
Your Honor,
waiting on a flight. I'm innocent of loitering, Your Honor.
Okay, that has nothing to do with what I'm asking you.
The charge is loitering. I'm innocent
I know,
of it.
Mr. Fabian, enough. Madam Clerk, what were you saying?
It is Mr. Fabian that's out there at the one of the cubicles, Your Honor.
Okay, so did he not make it into a breakout room with Mr. Ainati, or is he already back
He
out?
did, and then he looks like he came back in and his camera was off.
Got it. So we'll need Mr. Ainati. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor, how are you doing?
He keeps unmuting.
Right now, stay muted.
All right, I'll mute this microphone. I'm innocent.
I have not been able to get Mr. Fabian to join the breakout room, but it's a motion to continue.
Your Honor, I would like for this case to be over today. I'd like to be found innocent.
I can't do that. This is not a fact-finding hearing. There's no jury here.
Oh, I'm innocent of loitering. The charge is loitering, correct?
I understand that you believe that. There is no jury here. There are no witnesses here. I cannot just decide that you're innocent. I can't do that.
Oh. Well, the hearing is today, and this is the third continuance, and I was incarcerated twice. I'm served. Entrapment ploys from informants have ended up in complete ruin, and your tactics have been in an illegal fashion. Everything from theft to slander. I believe that threats would qualify as slander. So, Your Honor, all this for loitering, and I haven't loitered at all.
Mr. Fabian,
what else do you want? You want to entrap me? You want to keep pushing things and I stay in Georgia? You want me to keep coming out here?
Mr. Fabian, I've told you repeatedly, you do not need to come back to the state of Washington. Every single person on this Zoom call has managed to get on. It is perfectly possible for you to log on from another state. You have to do it at the right time and account for the time change.
This is the date that was allotted to me by your court, Your Honor. By your court. This is the date that was allotted by your court, Your Honor.
I agree. But my point is you did not need to come to the state of Washington. You could have logged on.
Your Honor, when your phone numbers don't work, and you keep pushing back a loitering case, Your Honor, if I may, go ahead, if I may.
Fabian, we worked this out last time that you were trying to log on at the Atlanta time.
Your Honor, go ahead. I would like to speak because this has been pushed back enough. Your Honor, if your numbers don't work, then I find this to be childish and petty. It is only loitering, and I wasn't loitering at all. I find this to be an entrapment ploy. Your Honor, I'm innocent of any crime. I haven't committed any crime. here in the state of Washington. And Your Honor, I can fly anywhere I want to in the United States of America. As a matter of fact, the world. Your Honor, I fly here because I don't like playing games. Your Honor, this is an open and shut case. Everyone knows that I haven't committed a crime. Everyone knows that I'm not a loiterer. Your Honor, what more do you want?
I'd like to hear from the parties. My recollection is this is pending an out of custody 1077 evaluation. Is that right?
I can't hear you, Your Honor. A what?
It's pending an out of custody 1077 evaluation.
Out of custody? What is that? I mean, Your Honor, Your Honor, I believe
Mr. Fabian,
competency. You cannot file for competency. I'm not a minor, Your Honor.
I'm talking to your attorney right now.
I don't have an attorney, Your Honor.
You do have an attorney.
I'm representing myself, Your Honor, because I wasn't loitering.
Your Honor, that's correct as far as the 1077 evaluation.
Okay. Do you have any updates on when that's going to take place and whether that can take place if he doesn't live in Washington?
Seeing that Mr. Fabian has been getting back to Washington, if assuming when the date comes up and he's present, we can have it done. But I don't have a date for him yet.
Okay. Mr. Mercer, any objection to setting this over to April 1st at 1:15?
No.
I object, Your Honor. I don't consent to. I don't consent to a competency hearing, Your Honor. This is all about competency, is it not?
So I'm granting the request for continuance for that evaluation to take place.
Is this about competency, Your Honor, or loitering?
There are two separate issues. One is the actual charge. One is whether you're able to stand trial.
Competency, Your Honor. So you want me evaluated? You want to implement? You would like to implement entrapment clause, Your Honor, because I'm innocent of loitering, and we can resolve this today on a third or on a fourth continuance. I was arrested twice. That's time served, Your Honor. I should go free.
It doesn't quite work that way, which says to me that the evaluation is appropriate.
In a court of law, Your Honor, informants stealing your informants here in SeaTac, Washington. SeaTac, Washington is not Seattle. Your informants here in SeaTac, Washington, stealing my belongings and mailing my belongings back. I have the receipt, Your Honor. And also,
Mr. Fabian, there's
sending my belongings back to where I purchased them, which would be where I was stationed, Fort Lewis, Your Honor.
There's nothing.
Remind you, Your Honor, I'm a United States Army veteran, Your Honor. In addition to an individual who has been slandered, Your Honor, I find this highly improbable, and I move to have this case thrown out immediately.
I have no legal basis to do that. That's denied.
You are the leading. You preside over this case, Your Honor. There is no reason to hold competency, Your Honor. I am not represented by your clerk or by your public defender's office. Your Honor, I am self-represented. Your Honor, I find this unconstitutional, Your Honor.
Can you mute Mr. Fabian, please?
Mute.
Okay, Mr. Fabian, you are represented by an attorney.
I am not represented.
No, Mr. Fabian, you will not argue with me. I am not removing him from your case because I have concerns about your ability to proceed and to make
Your Honor, you would like to
your next hearing will be on April 1st at 1:15 in the afternoon over Zoom, which you are welcome to log on to from another state, just like everybody in this hearing.
I'll fly.
Please go to the clerk's
It smells fishy.
Pick up a copy of the order.
I'll fly back here, Your Honor.
That's a choice that you're making, and don't blame the court for that.
Hey, man. Hey, anybody that would like to try to entrap me, Your Honor, if you would like to send other informant to the airport to try to, and other people and invites for other people to become informants at the airport, if you like informants to implement entrapment clause, Your Honor, then okay. Okay, Your Honor. It doesn't matter to me, Your Honor.
Fabian. Your hearing's over, sir.
All right. So, Your Honor, can I have your clerk write down?
Dadgum, it's like a casting call for Ripley's Believe It or Not in that place.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. If you'd like to become a member, click on the link in the description or click join right next to subscribe. still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Want to hit the thumbs up button? Make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you soon.